Hello! If you're looking for a multi-room amplifier for your large house or business, then the HOLO-WHAS Plus amplifier, designed for 16 speakers, could be the right choice for you. This amplifier delivers 100 watts per speaker and a total power output of 1600 watts. It features 8 zones, supports a wide range of music platforms, and offers extensive options for adjusting each zone as needed. In this video, I'll be unboxing the HOLO-WHAS Plus network amplifier and setting it up. In the next video, I'll dive deeper into all the features and perform a sound test. But for now, let's get into the unboxing and setup.